Have you ever finished a day at work so mentally exhausted that when you reach home, you just sit there, staring into nothing? That's not just being tired, that's burnout, and it's slowly changing the way your brain works. If you've been in that constant, just push a little more mode, remember, you're not alone. You can recover from stress and burnout, and I'll show you how. Don't skip any point. Before we start, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me in the comments if you've ever felt stuck in burnout mode. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Syeda Quadri, and I am a psychiatrist. I have been working in this field for the past 15 years. Today, we'll see how stress affects your brain, and simple proven ways to bring it back to calm mode. So, let's get started. 1. How stress changes your brain. When you're stressed for weeks or months, your amygdala, the fear alarm in your brain, gets overactive, and your prefrontal cortex, the part that helps you think clearly, starts to shrink. That's why in burnout, even reading emails feels like climbing a mountain. The good news? Your brain can bounce back if you build healthy habits. Studies have shown that chronic stress leads to changes in the structure of the brain, specifically the amygdala and prefrontal cortex. Stress changes the brain, but with HRV training, you can bring your body into a calm mode. So let's understand HRV. 2. Train your calm with HRV. You can train your body to relax by learning to control your heartbeat rhythm. HRV training teaches you slow breathing and good posture so your body can switch easily from alert to relax mode. Think of it like this. Taking a deep breath before a big exam calms your heart. HRV training makes that skill automatic. Biofeedback training, including HRV, has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety by improving the balance of the autonomic nervous system. 3. Cold therapy reset. A little cold shock can reset your brain. Cold showers or ice baths trigger your skin sensors, releasing norepinephrine, a brain chemical that boosts focus and energy. Just 30 to 60 seconds of cold water in the morning works like a natural espresso, but without the caffeine crash. Studies have shown that cold exposure boosts norepinephrine levels, which improve your mood and alertness. 4. Meditation, nature and breathing. Some of the best stress relievers are free. Meditation slows down overthinking. A walk in nature lifts your mood and boosts brain chemicals like dopamine. And the 4-7-8 breathing method lowers blood pressure and puts your body in relax mode. Research from Harvard shows that just a 20-minute walk in greenery improves both mood and problem solving. Meditation and nature exposure are both scientifically proven to reduce cortisol levels and boost well-being. 5. Progressive muscle relaxation. Stress isn't only in your head, it's stored in your muscles. PMR works by tensing and then relaxing muscle groups, sending a "you're safe now" signal to your brain. Doing PMR from your feet up to your shoulders before bed can help you sleep naturally. Progressive muscle relaxation has been found to be highly effective in reducing stress and promoting sleep. 6. Social connection buffer. Loneliness doesn't just hurt feelings, it affects your body too. Strong social bonds reduce stress hormones, boost immunity, and protect from burnout. Even a 15-minute chat or walk with a friend after work can lift your mood. Social connections and strong friendships have been linked to better immune function and reduced stress. 7. Creative expression recovery. Sometimes rest isn't enough. Your mind needs to express itself. Creative activities like painting, writing, or music activate your brain's reward pathways and reduce stress hormones. Just 20 minutes of journaling or sketching can clear mental fog and bring calm. Engaging in creative activities has been shown to reduce stress by activating the brain's reward systems and promoting relaxation. 8. Consistency for long-term calm. Stress relief is not a one-time fix, it's a daily habit. Whether it's breathing, meditation, HRV, or cold therapy, even 10 minutes a day can protect your brain from burnout. Studies show that daily practice of stress management techniques can rewire the brain for better emotional regulation. Ignoring stress is like slow poison for your brain, but with simple daily practices, you can retrain your mind to stay calm and strong. If this video helped you, please share it with someone who needs a calm mind today. Tell me in the comments which method you'll try first: cold shower, breathing, or HRV. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple science-backed mental health tips.